Hey gang, Scott here. Got another video for you to run down a few changes to light and shadow, crafting it and shaping it, because when you do that, you control the narrative of your photo. This is going to be a theme in a video course I have coming up in just a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But here is an example of what I'm talking about. You know, the bones of this photo are solid, but if we open up our masking area and I turn off the masks temporarily, you know, like I said, the bones are solid. Good time of day to take the photo, great color, you know, that blue hour and a wonderful mix of the artificial and ambient light. But then shaping things so that the elements that I want accentuated show up, and really drawing attention to, you know, the handful of sculling boats there. I guess they're called sculls, and on the dock there, and the bridge. You know, that was really, to me, the best part of this. So as I go ahead and disable all those masks and we work our way back up. Now these are all light and shadow related changes. Skyline is getting effectively detail. That's that local contrast where we're deepening shadows a little bit, we're brightening highlights a little bit, using things like clarity or texture to do that for us. Then pop the boats. Watch the boats at the bottom. Jump those up. I want to see those. Same with the dock, and chose to do the dock separately from the boats so I have more control. Now the bridge. The bridge gets a little bit brighter. Pretty simple adjustment on the bridge. And to converse that, or a counterpoint, dim the water and the sky. So those blues just got a little bit richer, a little bit deeper. Did a vignette, and then felt like I wanted to tame some of the reflections, like this midground here. Now I like having separation between my elements, so tone those down ever so slightly. And I have to say, my last one here was one of my favorite, the accent on the bridge supports. So all these little bridge supports here, the way that the light and the really it's the orange of the amber tones coming from the artificial light bouncing around in there after, just popping those up a little bit before, after. I have to say that was my favorite one, because these small little changes I get really excited about, but they do add up to the overall story. And let's do one more time, a before and after. You know, before that change, or those changes, after those changes. It's an enhancement. It is an improvement. I'm pushing you here, making sure that these boats don't get lost, and looking what an otherwise really wonderful beginning to the day in Portland, Oregon. Well, I hope you found the video helpful. Again, stay tuned. New course coming up very soon that will empower you to do adjustments like these. And until next time, my name's Scott Davenport. Have fun.